Ano? San?
You know,
Saan?
The hell is that thing?
may nakatayo.
Hi.
Wala naman eh.
Ha?
Hindi,
Statue.
ano kasi.
Oh,
yung-
diba?
Wala.
Yung objective.
Ano? Oh, wow. Ano yan? Okay.
What does that mean?
What? It's all your fault. Behind. Oh, sanggala.
Wala akong
Binangga ang gago.
Bros blind.
Oh.
The curse.
The curse. Ooh, nag-upside down cross. Naging cross of Saint Anthony. Ano ba yun?
Oh no, naging
It
sword.
gets worse every night.
Ay, may voice acting pala to. Waiting completed. Please wait.
Magawa.
Ito.
Ba't ang lit natin?
Talagang
Ayun. Current objective. There is no objective.
Go to the kitchen. Go to the
Objective.
kitchen daw.
Matagal na yun.
I can't open the door.
Ngayon.
Ayoko. Ano naman yun? So,
Let's go.
Walang sprint.
Naliit natin. Ang liit naman na.
Ayun niya, lit niya natin eh.
wala akong enough storage. Punong-puno ako.
Gulat ako dun.
Uy!
So,
Nasa kayo?
frustrating.
Nasa taas mo yung kitchen?
Flashbang ako.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Sa baba.
Parang... Baka dito.
Wala din.
Lumalabas.
Baka nandun.
Yep, here.
Yun.
Pusang gala.
It sounded like it came from upstairs.
Parang text taas, di ba?
Better check it out.
Bro, yung...
Anong sounded came from the upstairs?
Dito,
Ano dito sa banyo?
Dito.
Ito.
Saan?
Go
Go back to your room. Okay.
A diary.
Bruh.
Now I remember. The reason I came to my parents' house in the first place.
Ayaw!
The diary that I
Bagay.
usually wrote everything.
Sinarado mo?
Oh.
I don't remember where I put it. That's why I came here to search for it. I thought
Walang
that
crouch.
I could
Wala nga
find
eh.
it.
Wala nga
Wala.
laptop.
I'd finally find some answers. Then the accident occurred.
Ooh, basement key.
I have to find that diary.
So, basement key? Hindi tara, basement.
Search for the diary. I found a basement key, guys.
Pwede siya umakit.
So, pwede na tayong pumunta ng basement. Boy. Nasan ka?
Nasa baba.
May babae.
What the hell is that?
Smash.
Okay.
Ano hindi Roblox yun?
I can Rusify.
Sophie! Was that really you?
Sophie. Sino si Sophie? Ano to?
Saan yung basement?
Saan to? Okay, this is like the main living area.
Find the key.
Pinsan mo na, diba?
Ay, meron ako.
Ito ata yun?
Nasa lang basement. Yan.
Hindi.
Try mo.
Susi ka?
Ayan.
Meron.
Hello?
What's going
Pusang
on?
gala.
Is this really happening or am I going
Hoy,
crazy?
hoy, hoy. Oh,
Doesn't make any
nope,
sense.
nope.
Umakyat.
Saan nyo to? Buksan nyo to. Oh, fudge. May flashlight na tayo.
Wala, di ko makita.
F or Y? F. F sa akin.
I got this key, parents room key. Yung Y para sa ano yan eh, para sa console.
Ba't kayo pa ano-ano?
Okay, so parang wala naman ibang nandito.
X
Ano?
yung flashlight. F yung flashlight. F.
Yeah. Okay na ba tayo?
Yeah, let's go up.
Sige. Parents room key. Saan ba yung parents room? Upstairs siguro, no?
Yeah, most probably.
The hell?
Ito sigurong malaking pinto na nasa... Ay!
Master bedroom.
Ba't bumukas naman? The hell is that?
Babae.
Wood.
Smash.
Hi.
Akala ko tatakbo tayo.
Ay, sanggala. Sinadaduan ako sa mukha. Uy. Okay.
Hindi ko nakita.
Room.
Eh, po sanggala. Anong klase? Po, anong kwarto? To, tinan mo naman yung... May, ang liit natin.
Ayun nga.
Ayun yun natin.
Feel really
Tapos
right.
ang deep nung voice.
Feels like they are still in this room with me. Watching
Yeah, kaya hindi ko alam kung bata pa tayo or hindi. Tapos tinan mo naman ang anong klaseng bedroom ang merong picture frame sa likod ng bed frame? Ano to?
Para mahulog. Ano to? Ano meron dito?
Oo nga, para... Kaya siguro sila namatay.
Help.
Oh, what's this? Hell.
Damn! Oh, my head!
Damn!
It hurts!
Oh, my head. It hurts.
Oh,
Oh, my head. Oh, tape.
in danger?
Uy. Ano ba to?
Stop opening, closing things.
Ayan. Yan, nakuha ko na yung tape. Okay. Ay,
Nangyari? Wala akong nakita.
it won't budge. Dun sa ano, bababa tayo yata. Oh, play the tape on the cassette. Bababa tayo. Dun sa ano, saan ba ulit? Kaliwa, kanan,
Sa
kaliwa,
living room.
kaliwa ata.
Dito yung TV, di ba? Ah, wala.
Dito. Praise tape. Okay. Okay, manahimik.
Possession by a wicked entity is an unusual
Wow.
or altered
That's-
state of
that's my
consciousness and
father's
associated
voice.
behaviors
What is
What?
going on?
reportedly caused by the control of a human body. The entity, though, hungers for more. In these cases, possession is the first
Possession.
step of a demon's plan. It is said that there are those
Uh-huh,
who
uh-huh.
come to our world seeking to
Possessed?
resolve unresolved matters from their previous lives. Things get much
Uh-huh,
worse
uh-huh.
for most. From the moment of a first contact with a malicious entity, it's already too late. When a demon attaches itself to a human
Bro
being,
likes
it
it.
becomes a parasite of sort. If you want to break the link,
Uh-huh.
I'm afraid this isn't a simple mission.
Mhm.
The best way to do that is to obey and help the demon find what it seeks. In the first
What the hell
stages of
would help a
possession,
demon?
the demon manipulates its host with
Okay,
visual
okay.
hallucinations and voices in the mind, destroying the
Uh-huh,
sanity of the
uh-huh.
host. This is how demons fully
Okay,
exert
okay.
its insidious control.
No, this can't be true. I'm not
You're not sick.
possessed. I better go to sleep.
Go to
Hello?
sleep.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Ano ba yun? Alam mo yung may gumagano sa mukha? Yung, is your baby not sleeping? Don't worry. I can help. Go to sleep.
Ano yun? May naririnig akong twinkle.
Yeah.
Bro, sabi there.
Oo. Oy,
Ano nangyari?
may nangyayari ba sa inyo?
Wala. It's black.
Sound lang, sound.
No.
Yeah.
No, please.
Okay.
Saan tayo?
Makagalaw.
Where am I? What is this place?
Oh,
What was
hi.
that thing?
Oy,
Follow the thing.
follow that thing.
The thing.
What is happening? Why is this happening to me?
Man, this...
Dahil naman siya.
Stupid. Huh? Dead end.
Ay, dead end.
Bumalik
Nandito
tayo.
siya siguro sa likod natin.
Wala akong makita. Hindi rin gumagana
X.
flashlight.
Dito.
Same.
Dito.
Ay, andyan ba? Kala ko wala na. Dead end dyan kanina eh.
Uy!
I'm back at the basement? But it doesn't make any sense. I don't understand.
Lahat na lang doesn't make
What
sense.
is happening?
Bro, just get out
Are
of
those
the house.
police tapes? What happened here? Something's wrong. This radio wasn't here before.
What radio?
Aryo.
Oh, this one.
Recently, there was a brutal family killing. The brutal killing took place while the family was gathered at home on a Saturday afternoon. The girl heard screams and immediately called the police, saying while she was upstairs,
Bakit dito?
she heard stabs and everyone downstairs screaming. After a while, when the police arrived at the place, the parents of the girl were found already dead on the basement. Her dad was hanging from the ceiling and her mother was found dead on the floor with a lot of stabs, while she was found passed out in a bedroom with a stab in her stomach. While the other person's parents that were with them were nowhere to be found, the murderer seemed to got away. The girl's name was Sophie. The police are still investigating this crime.
What?
Siguro pumatay,
What?
no?
A murderer?
Murderer!
Yun. Oh, ang dilim. Jump scare in 3, 2, 1.
Ayun na sa
Oh.
police
Sophie.
tape.
Is that you?
Ay, ito yung nakasabit. Wait lang.
Is that your dad? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Call the
Ano
cops.
makita?
Pinakasabit dito kanina eh. Nawala eh. Ha?
Yeah, plastic bag.
Ba, may nakaharang na dragon? Dragon ni Nick. Nakikita kayo?
Yeah, meron. Kamay mo lang.
May multo sa harap natin. Up,
What is
we are
happening?
here again.
This
Banda ka,
can't be real.
Yo, ano yun?
Was Sophie and my parents' death really? I need to find out more.
May tao dun, oh.
Ikaw ang pumatay, tayo ang pumatay. Hi Sophie. Sasaksakin ko ulit
Sophie.
kita.
Is that you?
Takbo tayo.
Feeling ko, oo.
Wait,
No.
something is not right.
Hindi.
This wasn't
Ay,
Sophie.
hindi. Never
Her
mind.
eyes were black.
Feeling ko more on
It says that
storytelling.
something
ata.
was taking control of her. I must find her. Quickly.
Ito.
Hello?
Maybe I can squeeze through.
Miss.
Maybe I can squeeze through. Ayan, squeeze through. Eh, ay, pasanggala yung ganun sa horror game. Lamaw. Tapos may magpapakita sa kabilang dulo.
Wala.
Ay,
Yeah.
wala. Bro. What's this? Watch.
Ooh.
Ano to?
Basahin mo muna.
Ayo, may ano, crafting.
Place the bulb on the ceiling lamps.
What is this?
Okay, so bulb plus ilaw na walang bulb equals ilaw na may bulb. Tapos switch plus ilaw na may bulb equals light. Light plus demon baby equals death.
Death ng demon.
Place the bulbs on the ceiling lamp.
So maghanap tayo ng light bulb para malagay sa ceiling.
Hindi. Hindi, ayun o. Place the bulbs on the ceiling lamps. When a bulb is placed on a lamp, the lever from that lamp can be pulled. Pull the lever when the demon is in a close range from the ceiling lamp. Kill the demon.
Yung
Kaya nga,
lever.
maghanap
Okay.
na tayo ng ano, light bulb.
Yung lever.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Saan ba?
Hindi ko rin
Yeah.
alam.
Shift.
Okay.
Yun.
Shift to sprint.
Ayun.
Control to crouch. F for flashlight. Alright, we're in the game now.
Uy!
Hi!
Sino naman tayo?
Nasa mukha ko agad. Ako. Hindi, walang bayad na revive. Parang infinite revives good. Nasa harap ko biglaan eh. Nagulat din ako eh.
Light
Oh.
bulb, light bulb.
We have
Ito, light
stamina bar.
Meron ba?
Uy!
Chan!
bulb. Walang stamina bar, just hold sprint.
Ay, meron.
Meron?
Meron ako
Tama.
light bulb. Saan ko lalagay ito?
Hindi ko alam.
Sa ceiling lamp.
What,
Sige na.
Bro?
what ceiling lamp?
Doon. Sa loob, doon somewhere. Wala kasi dito, puro may ilaw dito,
Ito.
kaya ayaw niyong lumapit dito eh.
Kaya nga, nandiyan siya.
Oo, sinasta.
Wait, nandiyan siya eh.
Doon sa taas yung kita mo.
Boy,
Uy!
ay, nagte-teleport ang
Hindi
Bustos.
siya nagte-teleport na ano siya nawawala. Parang
Mamaya.
nag-ano.
Invisibility.
Kaya yun. I-lure nyo palabas. Kinakam tayo eh.
Ilagay mo na.
Kinakam tayo eh.
Papunta.
Ay,
Sabi ko papunta eh, ayaw makinig. Bro, anong to? Kaya mo yan, Sean. Bye, Sean.
ilaw.
Okay, ilaw
No,
yung ilaw
I
nyo.
think naririnig ko pinagbatay siya.
Switch.
Di ko alam kung nasan yung
Lever.
switch. Nasaan ba yung... Ay, yung problema, nasan yung lever? Ay, nasa loob din
Sa
siguro.
loob nga rin. So, hanapin natin. Tara,
Bruh.
infinite revive
Ano
na dun eh.
Tapos split up. Okay, I'm going left.
Ito lever. Kulang pa. Kailangan maraming switch. I mean, kailangan maraming ano. Light bulb. Ito light bulb.
Never, nandito siya.
Uy, si Kayton.
May isa akong light bulb. Saan ko ilalagay?
Karanan ako. Saan ba ilalagay ito?
Sa mga
Yan ba siya? Ayan siya. Siyan.
Uy,
Eh.
stuck ako.
Ayan, patay si Sean.
No.
Ay, hindi.
Sila.
Ay.
Ano?
Wala, mamaya na.
Namatay. Nawala yung bulb mo, no?
Yan, nawala. Okay.
Okay, so wait lang. Wait lang. No. Balik kayo dito. Kailangan natin maghintay para umalis siya. So,
Bro, may
tatakbo
stamina
tayo
point ako,
inside.
ayoko na.
Isa sa atin diretso, isa sa atin kanan, isa sa atin kaliwa.
Ako sa left.
Diretso ako. Ay,
Ako kanan ako. Chiton.
Uy!
May pinto dito. I can't leave yet. Ay, pusan ka lang. I can't leave yet. Okay.
Nakinino siya.
malay ko.
Hindi ko naman mahila yung lever.
Wala, kailangan na siguro lagyan lahat ng light bulb.
Yeah.
Malapit ata siya.
Uy, putik.
Bro, got weave. Nilagyan ko na yung dalawang
Oo, naglagay na rin ako ng dalawa dito.
So, ilan pa kulang? 5 ba yan?
Hindi ko alam. Wala naman sinabi kung ilan eh.
Nandito pa sa amin kayo ito. Nandito lang.
Nasabi.
Nasa inyo. Hi.
Oh, parang nakaano dun.
Ba't ka bumalik?
Hindi ko alam. Wala nga siya dun eh.
Yeah, kasi sa amin.
Alam ako.
Uy!
Ano yan?
Nandun sa akin, sa diretso.
Okay, pakaliwa ako.
Okay na yung left.
Ang problema, nasan yung mga bulbs? Ayun, bulb isa.
Nasa left.
Ay, nandito ako sa left eh.
Right.
Uy, diretso right.
Oh,
Nandiyan siya.
saan ka ba?
Nasaan siya?
Bruh.
I'm high.
Sabi mo nga na, nalagyan na yan. Nalagyan dito sa...
May bulb ako. Di ko alam kung saan ko lang ilalagay.
Meron
Check
dito
ko
sa
nga.
akin, sa diretso.
Oh, ayun siya.
Uy! Bro!
Saan ka?
Yan,
Ah.
nalagyan ko na yung ano.
Saan ko ito ilalagay?
Uy!
Hindi siya, hinahabol.
Hindi pa ba pwedeng ipon yung lever?
Patay tayo dito, Nick.
Nandito. What the fuck?
The hell, saan ko to pwedeng ilagay?
Bro,
Meron naman na tong nandito sa harap ng pintuan.
Wait, di ko alam palabas. I'm stuck. Look, Kayton, sa'yo yan.
Ay.
It's a gift for you.
Ay, nandyan sa likod. Bro. Dito. Ay.
Check ko yung ano. Lever.
My brother.
Okay naman yung lever. Hindi ko mababa yung lever dito.
Kaya nga eh.
This is your husband.
Nasaan siya?
What is the few things
Don't know.
need to know it? If you
Nasa akin.
Namaw. Saan ko pa ba ito pwedeng ilagay? Kasi nilagyan ko na yun nandito. Alam ko yun dito rin, nilagyan ko na eh.
And if you forget all that,
The hell?
never survive.
Place the bulbs on the ceiling lamps. When the
Kaya
bulb is
nga
placed
eh.
on a lamp, the lever from that lamp can be pulled. Pull the lever when the demon is in a close range. Ah, is in a close range.
Ayun, napul ko.
Kailangan na sa close range.
Okay, good work.
Para doon ipapull. Okay, good.
You wanna know how to
Napul ko yung isa.
like a lady.
Ayun nga, ganun nga.
Kailangan natin hintayin siya.
Oo, para ano.
Okay, hintay ako dito. Dalhin niyo siya dito ah. Ay, ikaw lang eh. Joke lang.
Di ba patay na siya? Kasi pinatay na ni Nick.
Uy, dyan, sa likod mo.
Hindi, I think kailangan lahat.
Lahat ng
Para
light bulb. Okay.
Paano? Ano pa? E?
Yeah.
Pull!
What?
Oo.
Boy,
Napul
yun.
na.
Pinatay pa. Kaya nga napul ko na nga eh. Paano?
Nandiyan
Ba't
pa ba yung light bulb?
napatay
May
dun?
light bulb pa dyan. Ah, meron pa.
Oo.
So dito naman.
Ito, nasa yung lever na ito? Ayun.
Nandyan. Try ko yan, oh.
Dalhin nyo dyan sa gitna. Dalhin mo dyan sa gitna. Ano ba yun? Dumaan na pala.
Bro! Nagiging...
Hindi ko napansin.
Hindi
Sorry,
nakikita
hindi ko
ko.
napansin kasi nakatingin ako sa lever eh.
Paano ko mag-pull yan eh?
Nasaan siya?
Mapupunin mo lang pag malapit siya.
Oo, pag malapit.
Okay, titingin lang ako sa lever. Pag moment na makita ko may
Nandito na,
nakasulat
nandito na.
pull.
Nandito na. Pull.
I think it's dead.
Easy.
Smash.
Uy, ano, may audio. Ano yun? Tape.
Okay, pwede na tayo mag-leave.
May audio tape, oh.
Okay na.
Another tape.
May tape?
Maybe I should
Oh.
just
Wait lang. Ay, pusang gala. Nick naman?
get back. Why am I here in the first place?
Ayun, nandito naman pala. Hindi, nakuha ko na pala.
Wala makita.
Bro.
What is going on here? How did that door bring me back to the house? And is that thing finally dead? Am I finally free? It just doesn't make any sense. This doesn't feel real.
Ow.
Am I really cursed or possessed or
It's
whatever?
so lonely.
I'm so confused.
I'm so
Whatever that
lonely.
There's one thing that is for sure. I must save Sophie.
Ito ba ang sasabi nila?
Whatever it takes.
The meanest people
Whatever
are the
that
ones
risk
who's
may
lonely.
be. I must save her.
Patay na nga si Sophie eh.
Sophie ba yun? Di ba Sophie?
Oo nga, di naman Sophie.
Insert ko lang yung tape ah.
Insert mo.
Insert mo saan? Oh, yeah.
Okay, there we go. Ano na naman, ano kaya to? Possession, blah blah blah. Maglalaro na ako ng
Many
ML.
wish that some
Curse
form
the
of adversity or
Curses.
misfortune that will
What is
befall or
happening?
attach to one or more persons. In particular,
does my
curse
father
may
have
refer
to
to
do
such a
with
wish or
this?
pronouncement made effective by a
Demons?
malicious entity
Curses?
or person that
What is happening?
one or a lot of
Ay, we.
with rage. In order to break
Pag inikot mo ng mabilis yung mouse mo,
is
nagbe-blur.
no simple matter. There are lots of signs of curses.
Oh,
Hindi
the
ko lang bakit.
Break them.
Siyempre, kapag
Most
i-shake mo yung ulo mo ng
common curse is
tapos mabilis na ganun.
exercising the entity or person
Oo nga, yung bear.
put on the curse on you. While it may seem hard to do, since the person is dead, in order to do so, you have to summon the being
Bruh.
that put the curse
Umiinom
on
na
you
sila eh.
and exercise it. Decide not, killing it won't work. The curse will remain since the entity or the person hasn't been exercised yet. To summon the being, you have to do some kind of ritual. In order to do
Among Us na
tape
lang.
that explains the way and what you
Oo,
will need.
pag-ritual tayo.
Good luck.
I have to find that tape. Where could it be,
I have
though?
friend tape.
I have
Where
searched
could
the
it
whole
be, dude?
house. I didn't even find the diary. Then what am I supposed to do?
Ah,
Wait. There is one place.
You
I haven't
gotta
searched yet.
know how.
Yeah.
Atik.
How could I forget?
Atik. Ay, ang ganda ng mukha, oh.
mukha.
Yan, oh, ganda ng mukha.
Mukha. What mukha?
Walang mukha sa'yo,
Wait, wala.
bro.
Oh, meron.
Sa akin meron eh.
Kapag nilapitan mo.
Uy, kailangan ng ladder.
May nakita ko downstairs, ang alam ko yun ah.
Saan ba yung attic?
Kahit ano sa labi ko na
Hindi, downstairs ba yun or basement. Hello, Sophie, nandito ka ba? Kailangan ko yung ladder eh.
Hindi kaya tumbasan.
Saan na yun? Yun.
Nakuha mo?
Eh,
Pinino yun?
may tumingin sa atin. May tumitingin sa atin.
Tumitingin
May
sa atin.
nakasilip ka nila.
Nakasilip. Saan?
Tingnan nito.
Dito.
Oh,
Saan ba yung attic?
Ito.
ba? Ayun.
Ito.
Climb.
Ladder. Okay, cutscene na naman.
Okay, may mukha dyan.
What?
Jump scare in 3, 2, 1.
Sophie? Is that you?
May ginagawa
What are
nun.
you doing?
Ginagawa
What
mo.
is this? Why am I suddenly feeling dizzy?
The hell is that? Sinama niyo si Vecna from Stranger Things Season 5.
Bruh.
Slow motion pa tayong nahulog.
Oh, yun na yun.
Mas ang galang to be continued.
Ha?